Okay, so we're starting a new project here. It's designing and building a 3D printed affordable dollhouse. We have designed some exterior walls using the pattern that they use with this 3D print company that prints homes. Here is their blueprint, and they're talking about modeling a 3D printed home. We've got to draw up our blueprint for our dollhouse, which is going to be 3D printed affordable housing dollhouse. We'll talk in the future about how to do this. This is just kind of a proof of concept at this stage. We've got more beams in the printer. That's the size printer that we're using. So there will be more about this. So now we've got some of our beams assembled. They were 3D printed. We're talking about 3D printing an affordable dollhouse. These are going together with Duro cement. I believe we found out that instant glue does not work with PLA. This is PLA material. The print design internally, the infill design, is supposed to mimic this design that this company uses in their G-code for their printer. Here's what it looks like in our design. We just took the letter S in text and added it to these exterior parts. This is the envelope part we're learning, the outside walls, and the inside is called infill. And the infill part has to accommodate vertical rebar supports, which will tie these together. It also has to accommodate your mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. We're going to be learning about all this when we put together this 3D printed affordable dollhouse.